Now question number 70, 71, 72 is all related. Okay, meaning I'll show you the map at the end. If you see, Ritchie's archipelago in Andaman Nicobar Island is closest to where? Okay, then Duncan Passage separates what? Then here, arrange the following from north to south: Great Nicobar, Little Nicobar, all these things. So first we'll see the map and study first. So let me see whether you can answer. Okay, so this is the Andaman. Okay, Andaman and Nicobar. So if you take this full top section is Andaman, this full bottom section is Nicobar. Okay, now in Andaman we have three groups you can tell within Andaman itself. That is Northern Andaman, Middle Andaman, and Southern Andaman. Okay, then here down, if you see, this is Little Andaman. Okay, this one. So this tiny thing. And then after that, we'll have the 10-degree channel. Okay, 10-degree channel means 10-degree latitude is passing through this thing. Okay, and after that, Nicobar starts. So when Nicobar starts, the first one is Car Nicobar. Then we have Little Nicobar. Then we have this thing. Okay, Great Nicobar. So the Great Nicobar is at the bottom. Okay, and the above, this full island, right? This full big island. This is total together called Great Andaman, meaning North plus Middle plus South Andaman is equal to Great Andaman. And after Great Andaman, we have the Little Andaman, but it is separated by this Duncan Passage. This passage is called Duncan Passage. Okay, Greater Andaman, Duncan Passage, Little Andaman. Then 10-degree channel, then the full Nicobar starts. When the Nicobar starts, we have Car Nicobar, and then Little Nicobar, and then Greater Nicobar. And finally, we have the Indira Point, which got submerged during the tsunami. Okay, 2004 tsunami. So here, then again, lot of points is marked here. If you see, lot of island names and all, which if you can remember. Okay, this barren island was asked in UPSC in 2020. It is the volcanic island. Okay, and here it is this Ritchie's archipelago, which is part of Andaman. Okay, and it is closest to where? Closest to South Andaman or the Port Blair. Port Blair, the capital city, is in South Andaman. Okay, so this basics, whatever I have highlighted, this is the things which UPSC repeatedly is asking. And if you see here, this Tarasa, Tiaching, Dweep, why I am highlighted? Because India, whenever they make this warships or some coastal vessels and all, they name those ships like INS Tarasa, INS Tilsiang, like that. They use the names of island in Andaman Nicobar to name those things. Okay, so that is why I have highlighted here. Now you go back to the questions and try to answer. Ritchie's archipelago in Andaman Nicobar is closest to South Andaman. Okay, like I showed you. Then Duncan Passage separates. You saw that it is between the Great Andaman and the Little Andaman, where Great Andaman is equal to North plus Middle plus South Andaman. Okay, Great Andaman is equal to North plus Middle plus South. Then we have the Little Andaman. After that, we have the 10-degree channel. After that, we have the Car Nicobar, and then the Little Nicobar and the Great Nicobar. Okay, and in the middle of these two, we have the Duncan Passage. Then here, if you see, arrange the following from north to south. So north to south, I told you, first we have to see the Andaman, obviously. Okay, so these two, any one of them will come up. So South Andaman actually comes up. Okay, even though the name is South, you know, South Andaman, then only the Little Andaman will come. Okay, Little Andaman is closer to Nicobar. So it is 4-3. Okay, South Andaman and Little Andaman. After that, 2-1. That is first Little Nicobar and then Great Nicobar. Okay, that is how the namings they have given. Okay. See, South Andaman is here, then Little Andaman, then Car Nicobar, then Little Nicobar, and last is Great Nicobar. Okay, so this is the complete thing about Andaman and Nicobar Islands. 3 questions you studied in